All right, gang, we are back at Harbor Freight again, second time in about 3 weeks. As I said, I think I figured out their scam. I'm looking for something to hold deep well sockets, 3/8 inch drive. Let's see what happens when I go in and see if they are trying to pull this scam. This is a brand new store, by the way. That's just where I was. All right. Shit. Alrighty. Not a big fan of these. But I might have what have we here? This could work. That's quarter drive. We don't want quarter, we want 3/8. 3/8 magnetic. All right. So I found what I'm looking for. Maybe. No, those are just those. I don't like that. All right. There's what I've got. Now, here's where the scam comes in. I got to walk by all this other stuff to get out. And see, my eyes are already wandering. Are they going to get me again? It's starting to look like it. They are as elusive as the 10mm socket. So we'll get that too. I mean, we don't want to waste, gas money. We drove all the way down here. We just can't buy one thing. It'd be a complete waste of gas money. All right. Time to escape. See you after checkout. Well, they got me again. Harbor Freight came for one thing, left with two. That is their scam, though. That is their scam. Whatever you need, they make sure you walk by a bunch of other stuff to get to it. All right, but we're gonna figure out how to beat this scam. You and I together, we're gonna make this happen. And stay tuned right here. We'll catch you next time, all right? Be safe, everybody.